This is the Kärcher KWD2 wet and dry vacuum cleaner. It's 110 volts, 50 cycle. It's super powerful, has a compact design and also energy efficient by only using 1000 watts. The machine achieves top cleaning results for a dry, wet, fine and coarse dirt. The wet and dry vacuum cleaner has a robust and impact resistant 15 litre plastic container, 2 metre power cable, as well as a 1.8 metre long suction hose with a straight handle. It has 2 interlocking suction tubes, 2-in-1 floor nozzle and a fleece filter bag. The single piece cartridge filter allows dry and wet dirt to be vacuumed without filter replacement and can be installed on the filter basket by turning clockwise. The vacuum cleaner also has a practical blower function which can be used in places where vacuuming is difficult. The storage area on the machine head is used for safe storage of tools and small parts. Tubes and floor nozzles can also be quickly and conveniently parked in the park position on the bumper. On top of this, the machine boasts space-saving storage, simple accessory storage, the pull and push clip locking system, ergonomic carry-me handle, along with easy movability with the transfer wheels.